Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Mysynchrony app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Mysynchrony is a mobile banking app developed by Synchrony Bank, designed to help users manage their credit accounts, make payments, track rewards, view statements, and access financing options. The app features real-time notifications, secure login with biometric authentication, and personalized insights to help users stay on top of their finances. Users can also manage multiple accounts, set up autopay, and monitor transactions conveniently from their mobile devices. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is appreciated by users for its clean interface, fast navigation, and ability to manage multiple accounts in one place. The reward tracking and real-time alerts make it easy to stay informed, while the security features provide added peace of mind. Many users also like that they can sync their information across devices and access account details anytime. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional login or syncing issues, and certain advanced features may be limited compared to using the web portal. Additionally, the app's usefulness depends on the type of Synchrony accounts you hold. Not all features are available to every user. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Mysynchrony app may be worth using if you're a Synchrony Bank cardholder looking for a convenient, secure, and mobile-friendly way to manage your credit accounts. It excels in usability, account management, and real-time monitoring. However, if you experience login issues or require features not available on mobile, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.